Hi and welcome to JavaScript Character Converter. This program was developed with the intention that it will be able to change character. So if I enter whatever data enter in there, if I click on the uppercase, you can see it changes. And the same thing here. Let's say I enter JavaScript right there, and it can change. See that? Suppose we change this as well to there, and change it to uppercase or lowercase. Uppercase, lowercase. So let me take you guys straight into Java development environment, and you see how I've managed to put this together. Okay guys, I'll start by defining my HTML. Okay, I have my the title right there. Then the next thing I will do now is to define my form. I have my form in there, and the name of my form, let me call it form 1. That is the name of my form. So now that my form is defined, I'm just going to enter the rest data. But as you can see up here, I've already have my body color right there set. I've set the whole program to center, and that is the title, or you might call it the heading, whatever you want to call it. That is it right there. Is the font is 1H1, is bold, font color is white, and that's the font size, and that's it. So the next thing is I have a line underneath. The color of the line is black. So now let's continue. The next thing is just to get my the title for the text boxes that I'm going to be using. That's the title for the text box I'll be using. Then it's going to be followed by the inputs. Let's go for input. So let me change this to uppercase as the input. That's my input there. Just continue it. Okay, so I now have my input type. That's for the text, and that's the name of my input right there. I have the size set to 360. I may have to expand it though, and that's the height, and that's the font. So I'm just going to copy this for my second text box, paste it right there, and change this to enter second data. Let's change that to right. Then the name, change the name to 2. Okay, that's looking good. Now the next thing is for me to create my buttons and close the form. Those are the buttons created, so the form is closed as well. So I have 2 buttons right there called upper button and lower button. Okay, and I have my function right there that will convert the content in here to either uppercase or lowercase, and all these attribute here is just to format the buttons. Okay, so I'm just going to continue, and here I have that's the text content of the buttons. Alright, so now that that is ready, the next thing we do is just to enter our scripts right there. Let's close the script and enter a function underneath there. In this case I'll call it convert case, and let's give it an argument there, so that will be case. Right, I think that's the wrong spelling. Let's correct it. Okay, then close it, enter my curly bracket right there. I'll use if statement. If change case, which is right there, equals upper, do the following, else convert it to this. So this argument there is in uppercase, do this, else it come back and do this, and that is all there is to it. I just need to end this to HTML. Yeah, close that, and that is all. So all I need to do is to save. Just save it quick and give it a name. Let me call it 2. Make sure I select JavaScript right there. Save, and now let's save it as an HTML file as well. Save as HTML file. and that is all there is to it. So now that we've saved it, let's run it and see. Run, select launch Internet Explorer, allow, and let me just enter whatever value in there. Let's say change data is in lowercase. Alright, and just enter data change right there. Select uppercase, you can see that it changes to uppercase. Back to lowercase, uppercase, back to lowercase, and uppercase. So guys, you see that is how you develop character changer or an application that will convert data from uppercase to a lowercase. So with that brief tutorial, I'm going to call it bye for now. Let me show you guys the codes one more time. Those are the lines of codes. Let's increase the font a little bit. I think that might be too much. I suppose you can see it. Right, so with that, I'll just call it bye for now.